In the international packaging industry, large-size work orders have always been considered a major challenge for production lines. However, Shanhe Machine's HBF 3-1450, with its stability, high performance, and proven capabilities by global customers, has redefined the king of paper mounting. In Dubai, our customers use the HBF 3-1450 to handle large work orders, and it has gained widespread recognition for its stability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. A localized after-sales team provides technical guidance, ensuring a smooth and worry-free experience from installation to commissioning. It applies to the lamination between colorful printed paper and corrugated board, A/B/C/E/F/G-flute, double flute, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers, 7 layers, cardboard or greyboard. This will prevent large-size production from becoming a bottleneck. Adhesive control is the core of mounting equipment. The HBF 3-1450 is equipped with a computer-controlled precision adhesive control system that automatically adjusts the amount of adhesive based on speed and paper condition, effectively controlling moisture content, reducing warping, and resulting in a smoother and more stable finished product. Frequent size changes in work orders, excessive machine setup time. These are pain points faced by many factories. The HBF 3-1450 supports one-click machine setup for the entire machine, completing the size adjustment of the entire machine in less than 1 minute, greatly improving the production rhythm and allowing the equipment to handle both large and small orders with ease. To adapt to the production habits of different factories, the machine also supports optional functions such as paper receiving machines. This makes the production line more automated and efficient, reduces labor, and lowers costs. In actual production by our Dubai customers, the HBF 3-1450 has maintained stable output for extended periods of operation. Its stable structure, high speed, and strong adaptability have proven the true meaning of high performance and reliability. Shanhe Machine, driven by technology for efficiency, achieving quality through stability. From made in China to trusted globally, we will continue to provide our customers with more efficient and intelligent mounting solutions, adhering to high standards and delivering high performance.